This is the truck. This is the interior. Go to the other side. How you doing, man? This is the other side. Power seats, all weather mats, Chevy all weather mats. Push button start.
This thing is
This trailer brake. There it is.